Solana value equivalent to $186.07 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $183.31 to $190.67. The earlier day close, $189.67. The change was 360, 190%. Opposite rate, ICE to Sol. Dollar to Solana estimate for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 27 coins. Exorbitant costs at the end at 68, while lows 0.21. The found the middle value of costs at 840. The ICE to Sol estimate toward the month's ends reached 42, change for June 46%. ICE to Sol expectation for July 2024. To start with cost at 42 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.42, while lows at 75. The found the middle value of costs at 0.14. The ICE to Sol estimate toward the month's ends on 295, change for July 7%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for August 2024. At the outset cost at 295 coins. Excessive costs on 295, while lows on 238. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 271. The ICE to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends on 254, change for August 9%. ICE to Sol expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 254 coins. Exorbitant costs on 254, while lows on 205. The found the middle value of costs on 233. The ICE to Sol estimate toward the month's ends on 219, change for September 8%. Dollar to Solana estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at 219 coins. Exorbitant costs on 219, while lows to 189. The found the middle value of cost on 207. The ICE to Sol estimate toward the month's ends on 202, change for October 8%. ICE to Sol expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at 202 coins. Excessive cost 209, while lows are 182. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 197. The ICE to Sol figure toward the month's ends on 95, change for November 5%. Dollar to Solana figure for December 2024. Before all else cost at 195 coins. Exorbitant costs on 195, while lows on 157. The found the middle value of costs on 179. The ICE to Sol gauge toward the month's ends on 168, change for December 8%. ICE to Sol expectation for January 2025. To start with cost at 168 coins. Exorbitant cost 176, while lows to 153. The found the middle value of cost 165. The ICE to Sol gauge toward the month's ends on 164, change for January 4%. Dollar to Solana gauge for February 2025. In the first place cost at 164 coins. Exorbitant cost on 173, while lows to 150. The found the middle value of costs on 162. The ICE to Sol gauge toward the month's ends on 161, change for February 8%. ICE to Sol expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 161 coins. Exorbitant cost 161, while lows are 140. The found the middle value of costs on 153. The ICE to Sol gauge toward the month's ends on 150, change for spring 8%. Dollar to Solana gauge for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 150 coins. Exorbitant costs are 160, while lows are 139. The found the middle value of costs are 150. The ICE to Sol estimate toward the month's ends are 149, change for April's 7%. ICE to Sol expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 149 coins. Excessive costs are 156, while lows are 136. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 147. The ICE to Sol figure toward the month's ends are 146, change for May 2%. Dollar to Solana figure for June 2025. Before all else cost at 146 coins. Excessive costs are 146, while lows are 117. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 134. The ICE to Sol figure toward the month's ends on 25, change for June 4%. ICE to Sol expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 125 coins. Exorbitant costs are 130, while lows are 13. The found the middle value of costs on 22. The ICE to Sol gauge toward the month's ends on 21, change for July 2%. Dollar to Solana gauge for August 2025. To start with, cost at 121 coins. Exorbitant costs 155, while lows are in 21. They found the middle value of costs 135. The US to Sol gauge toward the month's ends of 144, change for August 19%. As to Sol expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 144 coins. Exorbitant costs 158, while lows are 137. They found the middle value of costs 147. The US to Sol gauge toward the month's ends of 147, change for September 1%. Dollar to Solana gauge for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 147 coins. Exorbitant costs 149, while lows to 130. They found the middle value of costs 141. The US to Sol gauge toward the month's end 139, change for October 4%. West to Sol expectation for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at 139 coins. Exorbitant costs 178, while lows to 139. They found the middle value of costs 155. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's end 165, change for November 7%. Dollar to Solana estimate for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 165 coins. Exorbitant cost 165, while lows at 133. They found the middle value of cost 151. The US to Sol gauge toward the month's end 142, change for December 9%. US to Sol expectation for January 2026. In the first place, cost at 142 coins. Exorbitant costs 182, while lows are 142. They found the middle value of costs 159. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends 169, change for January 19%. Dollar to Solana estimate for February 2026. First and foremost, cost at 169 coins. Exorbitant costs 17, while lows are 169. They found the middle value of costs 189. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends 2, change for February 5%. US to Sol expectation for Warp 2026. To start with, cost at 202 coins. Exorbitant cost 258, while lows on 202. They found the middle value of costs on 226. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends on 240, change for spring 8%. Dollar to Solana estimate for April 2026. To start with, cost at 240 coins. Exorbitant costs on 240, while lows 293. They found the middle value of costs on 220. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends on 287, change for April 8%. US to Sol expectation for May 2026.